Guys, these are 2 grow bags of potatoes that I planted sometime in April. These were planted later than my first set of potatoes, and it's because these were actually potatoes that I purchased from the grocery store, and when they started to sprout, I just placed them in this Dollar Tree grow bag just to see, what they would do, or how they would do. And as you can see, the $1 grow bag did not really last. There are a lot of tears in it. In fact, anywhere you touch it, it just rips. So my garden girl has brought my wheelbarrow here. And so what I'm going to do is lift the grow bag up. Hopefully I can get it all in there without ripping it any further into the wheelbarrow. Give me one moment and I'll see if I can put the bag into the wheelbarrow. Okay guys, I've dumped the bag. Let's see what we have here. I'm really not expecting a great harvest because they were planted late. This is the seed potato. It's all mushy. Throw that out. I'll just set that in here for now. This was the seed potato. Lots of little small potatoes. There's a seed potato. This is what I have so far. Looks like it might have done something if we might have had more time. But as you can see, they died back, and so no further growth is going to happen when it looks like this. This is the mushy seed potato. I'm just throwing it over the fence. Okay, I'm gonna dump the other bag in and see what we have in this one. And so Ava's now helping me to comb through the second bag of potatoes. Throw away that seed one. Okay. Okay, now this is what I harvested from bag number 1, and so far this is what we've harvested from bag number 2. That's it?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Ava, we've got 2 bags of potatoes over there. If you go and grab them, let's just get all this harvesting of potatoes done until it's time to harvest for the fall. All right, we dump in another bag. You pulled. All right. Now let's see what we have here. Oh, these were the red potatoes. Okay. Let's just add them in here. Okay, that's a nice size one. Okay. Try not to cut it. Okay, you see anything else? That's it? Okay, that looks like that's it. Let's just shake the dirt off. All right, and grab the next bag. And guys, those were the red potatoes, and that's what we harvested. And these potatoes were planted late. They didn't get started as my first ones did on March 8th of 2021. Okay, and this is the last and final bag that needs to be harvested. All right. Ava, you should have wore your gloves, but we never have our gloves when we need them, do we?
No.
Okay, these are more red potatoes. That was a nice one. Okay. Okay. Lots of good reusable soil. Just shake it off, Ava. Okay. Okay, so this is day 4 of harvesting potatoes. And this is what we have so far. Ava, this is from one of the bags. And let's put all the potatoes together today. I'm really thankful for what I've been able to harvest this season in terms of potatoes. And because it's just me, there's no way, that I can eat all of these potatoes, even though I've stored some. I've cooked a lot of it, a meal for one. It's not hard to do when you have potatoes like this. So these potatoes are going to be washed up and sold at the farmers market on tomorrow. I have another one. Don't put all that grass in here, Ava. I have another one scheduled for tomorrow, so I'll get these potatoes to the market. And this completes my harvesting of potatoes from spring till summer. And of course, I have another crop of potatoes that I have just recently planted that will be harvested in late fall. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Bye-bye. Ava?
Bye.
Bye, guys. And this is my harvest of green beans that were harvested on day 4. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future videos. God bless. Bye-bye.